Ogni Media Vision.
Hello viewers, I'm Kumar Chamok. Welcome to Three Phase Academy. So today we're going to start another new lecture on KVL. That means Kirchhoff's voltage law. So what is Kirchhoff's voltage law? Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the algebraic summation of total potential difference in a closed loop is equal to 0. So what does it mean? It means that the source voltage or the supply voltage is equal to the voltage that is consumed. So let us draw the circuit. Here, E1 and E2 are the source voltage or the supply voltage, and V1 for R1, V2 for R2, and V3 for R3. That means V1, V2 and V3 can consume power. But there is a problem. We do not know from which direction the current is flowing because there are two supplies and each is in reverse position. So we can assume that the current is flowing clockwise direction. Now since the current is flowing clockwise direction, that means that the incoming current of the load is positive and the outgoing current of the load is negative. But for the source, it's in reverse direction. Now, from the Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write the following equation from this circuit. So, if we consider the incoming side of the circuit, so the equation becomes equals to 0. But if we consider the outgoing side of the circuit, the equation will be these both equations are correct. Now, these both equations are satisfied from the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now, we will consider a single equation for solving the problem. Now, from this equation we can write so what does it mean? So that means the supply voltage is equal to the total voltage drop. Now the question comes, why we use Kirchhoff's voltage law? We can figure it out from the following mathematical expression. So let us find a mathematical problem from this circuit. Let us assume that U1 is 20 volt, this is 5 volt, this is 3 volt, and we do not know the voltage of V3, and this is 2 volt. Now if we plot these values on the equation, we will get the result. So the values of U1 is 20 volt and the values of V1 is 5 volt, V2 is 3 volt, and we do know the values of V3 and it is 2 volt. So what do we get? We get 20 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 equal to V3. That means we are getting V3 equal to 12 volt. So we can see that these satisfy Kirchhoff's voltage law because we can find the unknown voltage from the equation. So viewers, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or query, please comment below. We'll try to answer as soon as possible, and please hit the like button if you do like our videos and subscribe. Thank you.